Handcuffing Andrea, part 2 with the keys.
How about if we handcuff both of us together?
I know.
That's okay. I'd rather handcuff myself.
Be stuck with myself.
I know. That way I won't have to take something home to my mother.
Dude, that was gay. Why to your leg?
These go on your legs, stupid. Oh, I got butter on my pants.
Where are you guys going, Raymond?
Handcuff me.
Raymond.
Handcuff her. Your mom? Mande.
Era Andrea.
Mande.
Nothing.
Y luego no sabíamos dónde estaban las llaves y le echamos mantequilla gritando.
Y no llevas las de estas. ¿Por qué no viniste con Ramón y se las pediste?
¿Por qué Ramón no estaba?
My phone's like right here.
Record. Que no había.
I didn't think there was keys.
Qué bárbaras. Ay, yo ando atrás de Beth y mira, señora.
That was fun. We could leave you there. Here, come.
At least I know how it feels to be handcuffed.
Hey, keys.
It doesn't feel right.
Keys.
Look at
Get
this.
your butt over here.
Ow. Quickly.
Hey, they can't think you. Wait. Gotta keep this in the recording. Record, Yvette.
I'm texting.
Who gives a fuck?
I do.
Here, please. Really
I'm
quick.
texting. I'm sorry.
Like some other time. Your friends will always be there. Shut up.
Okay.
A big story to
tell
tell in school. A big funny story.
La toalla está...
Everyone will be laughing.
Hey,
Oh.
esa toalla es de romper, espérame.
Don't you dare tell me it doesn't work.
It doesn't work? Oh my!
Let me try the other one.
What do you mean it doesn't work?
It doesn't open.
It better open. I am taking them home
Let
this
me
time.
see. Turn her.
I am not.
Oh shit!
You better open them up.
She's not put...
Okay.
It does work.
It works. See, Lydia, you're not that smart.
Okay,
Keys
now
are not for Lydia.
credit cards are. Okay, now uncuff my behinds.
Well, you could do it yourself.
Oh.
Oh, mean.
Thank you for the massage.
I bet I could do it.
Thank you for the massage. It was great, by the way.
It was funny when I was taking out the handcuffs.
It sounded like he was giving birth.
I know. Okay.
Chris Angel.
I told one of my friends.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
That was a what?
Andrea getting handcuffed with keys this time. Stupid keys. Stupid evil keys. That was funny.
That was fucking funny, Andrea.
Fucking gay.
You were
This
gay.
was
Oh my god. This is awesome.
This was yes, I will see you through the smoke and flames. And